The stage is set for an oil market bull run. Rumors of a commodity supercycle is on the horizon. Bloomberg is saying that we're going to see the fastest decline in oil inventories we've ever seen, and there's a potential that we will see the fastest increase in demand since the 70s. Oil prices are soaring today. Oil prices, WTI is 59.63 and Brent crude is 62.62. I'm Sean Pruitt, president of Kingdom Exploration. If you're interested in this channel, if you're interested in oil and gas, and you like the oil and gas industry, please subscribe. I want to talk about this super cycle. Today, Marko made a bold prediction that the world has entered a new commodity super cycle. It is generally agreed that over the past 100 years, there were 4 commodity super cycles, and that the last one started in 1996. We believe that the last super cycle peaked in 2008 after 12 years of expansion, bottomed in 2020 after a 12-year contraction, and that we likely entered an upswing phase of a new commodity super cycle. The Croatian quant first looks at history to answer what drove the last supercycle. According to him, on the upswing, the most important driver was the economic rise of China. USD was weakening and asset managers increasingly added commodity exposure to diversify portfolios. Then the 2008 global recession hit, coupled with further slowdown in Europe 2011 and China 2015, which sent commodities lower, defining the 12-year down cycle whose last leg was marked by trade wars, the ensuing global manufacturing recession, and the disastrous pandemic that sent oil prices into negative territory for the first time ever. This is summarized in the chart below. So this is a great chart here. Here's the 12-year upcycle starting from the 90s and driving all the way up to 2008. And then we had a 12-year down cycle. Okay. And so I really love this article. You guys should research this stuff. And a lot of people are talking about this right now. And just a month ago, nobody would even imagine this happening. I mean, right now, this time we normally building oil stockpiles, but right now we are dwindling them down tremendously. Oil ends higher on Middle East tensions with global prices up over 5%. Oil futures got a boost on Friday from rising tensions between the Iran-backed Houthi rebels and Saudi Arabia, prompting prices for global benchmark crude to tally again for more than 5% for the week. The Houthis' military spokesman tweeted today that the Houthis Air Force hit an airport and air base in Saudi Arabia with drones, okay? And also, the Biden administration no longer considers the Iran-backed Houthis as a terrorist organization, all right? So the tensions are rising in the Middle East between the Houthis and Saudi Arabia. Okay, Biden administration is going against what the Trump administration has done in the Middle East. There has been more peace in the Middle East with Trump in office. When Obama was in office, there was a tremendous amount of turmoil in the Middle East. When Bush was in office, there was a tremendous amount of turmoil in the Middle East. And where were oil prices? Well over $100 a barrel. Trump came in office. He put in some policies in place. He increased oil output and was working on the Keystone Pipeline. He ripped all the red tape, and he brought more peace to the Middle East. Okay, what happened to oil prices? They went to the lowest levels we've ever seen. This administration in place is going to push oil prices, energy prices to levels this world has never seen. And I can't be more excited about it. I'm in the oil business. And so some people ask me, well, Sean, oil prices are still not profitable for the oil and gas industry. Well, that's because you're listening to the shale guys. All right. Shale oil is very expensive. Okay. It's the most expensive barrel of oil to produce. But non-conventional oil, I mean, think about it. We hit $40 oil the first time in 2004. Did the oil and gas industry stop producing then? No, that was the highest oil prices have ever hit. Everyone was excited. Why is it cheaper then? to develop? Well, it's the same price it was then. Quite simply, it's conventional versus the big fracking wells. All right, guys, I'm Sean Pruitt, president of Kingdom Exploration. I'm going to be following the news, what's happening in the Middle East, what's happening with this super cycle, and what's happening with oil prices. If you like this channel, please subscribe and have a great weekend. Thanks.